Here in the British Museum, there's one object which has attracted my curiosity, and that's this thing. It looks like it's a segment of a larger structure, but what's intriguing are the holes that are in it, because these definitely look machined. You see how even that is, perfectly round, and this might be the mark here of where the machine bit, core drill possibly slipped. Now this one is a different diameter than this one. And the surface, this front surface, I put a card next to it, and as in a business card. It'd be nice to bring a ruler, but it's amazingly flat. And this groove that's cut into it here, you see the continuity? Maybe like a router shaped it, as well as this one up here. If you look at that, look at the profile of it as I go back and forth. Very consistent. That's more like it. And these odd fluted, oh, okay, these are feet. Maybe. But very consistent. Now the stone itself is very hard. And on the back, you see this, which is kind of odd. And again, you see where the hole is. Some people would suggest that these holes were done when the British decided to remove these objects and bring them to the British Museum in order to make them easier to lift, but this isn't really that big in size. Here's my hand, so you can see a sense of scale. And also the markings, or this damage around the outside where the tool may have exited, that's incredibly heavily worn. It's not like 100 years of wear, it's like God knows how long. So my suspicion, and the hieroglyphics are not, that exacting. My suspicion is that this object is of incredible antiquity and was later recycled, holes already in it, and made into an art object. But it'd be interesting to see what people like Christopher Dunn have to say about it.